Hey guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word meaning which is of prefix nature, not the suffix nature. That as you can see by or bin, that is two or twice. As you can see how exactly that lizard looks with the two heads. Now we have that is biannual. We knew that occurring twice a year. So it means it will happen in every year, it will happen two times. So that is biannual, whatever the elections or whatever it happens biannually, that is every 1 year it will be occurring twice. Next we have biathlon, an athletic contest that includes both rifle shooting and cross country skiing. So in this you will have the rifle shooting and cross country skiing, you will have in it biathlon. Biaxial, having two axes, is biaxial. Bicameral, that composed of two chambers, is bicameral. Bicentennial, that is occurring once every 200 years. Here we have to remember that bicentennial, centennial means 100, bi means 200. So occurring once every 200 years. After 200 years, everything it happens, that is bicentennial. Next we have bicephalous, having two heads. Bi means two, cephalous, so that is having two heads. As you can see how exactly the lizard looks in a with the two heads. Next we have biceps, a muscle with two heads, especially the large flexor muscle of the upper arm. That is the reason we have the biceps left and right hand. Bicoastal, involving people and places on both the east and west coasts. As we can see how exactly bicoastal looks like in a map. Bicuspid, a double pointed tooth, is a bicuspid tooth. You will find in your mouth the bicuspid type of tooth. Bicycle, a vehicle with two wheels, is a bicycle. Bidentate, having two teeth together, that is bidentate. Bidirectional means the functioning in two directions is a bidirectional. Next we have biennial, occurring once every 2 years, that is biennial. Please remember, occurring once every 2 years, it is biennial. After 2 years it start occurring. Bifocal, having two focal lens. As you can see how exactly the lens looks like bifocal lens. One is short side, another is long side. We knew that presbyopia is one type of eyesight where this bifocal lens are used for the reading purpose, downer one, and looking purpose, the upper one. So these are the various things you have to remember. Bifurcate, divide into two separate parts, that is bifurcation. Bigamy, the practice of being married to two people at the same time, is a bigamy. Bilabial means a speech sound made by using both lips, is bilabial. Bilateral means involving two groups of people or two countries, is bilateral. So here the two groups of different nation, that is both the nations, will sit together, bilateral meeting. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations, and you can see the playlist how exactly it has been segregated for various posts. Next we have bilingual, the person who is able to speak two languages equally well. Billion is a number expressed as 1 followed by 9 zeros, which are two groups of 3 zeros after 1000. So that is 1 billion, near about 10 lakhs. Bimanual means done with the both the hands, that is ambidextrous. It's a both the hands will be working or writing, so that is bimanual. Next we have bi-monthly, occurring once every 2 months. So whatever happens after every 2 months it starts occurring. Next we have binary, pertaining to a number system of base, that is 2, that is binary. Binoculars means using two eyes to see, that is binoculars. Next we have binomial. Binomial means a mathematical expression consisting of two terms, is a binomial. Next we have bipartisan, involving two political parties is a bipartisan. Next we have bipartite, which is involving or made up of two separate parts is bipartite. Biped means a two-footed animal is biped. As you can see, the biped robot, it has got the two legs. Next we have the bipolar, pertaining to or having two magnetic or electric poles, that is bipolar, where you will find electric poles as we have magnet north and south. So the same electric poles we have the same two magnetic or electric poles, that is bipolar. Next, biracial, the concerning or containing members of two different races, that is biracial. As you can see how exactly Negroid and Asian look like, that is biracial. Bisect means to divide or cut into two equal parts is a bisection. We knew that angular bisectors, so that they bisect together. Bisexual means having either male or female sex organs, that is bisexual. Biweekly means occurring once every 2 weeks is a biweekly. Bi-yearly means occurring once every 2 years. Like here, bi-yearly, after every 2 years it will be occurring once. This is what it has been given. So maximum questions have been discussed over in it. If you get any kind of question that is concerning to bi, please go through this. This is gunshot questions. We will be having great answer for this. Now we have that PDF of 2100 GK and GS. You can call on my mobile number for this. You can directly go through. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys. Hope this will be benefited for you. If it is good, whatever the marks out of 100, you can directly comment me in the section. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.